Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an audience in Mailchimp. Setting up the right audience helps us organize contacts and run successful email campaigns. Let's get started. On the Mailchimp dashboard, we go to the Audience section. Once we are on this page, we will see the Audience or Contacts section. Click the Add Contacts button in the upper right corner of the page. Here, we can choose to import contacts or add a single contact. We will add a single contact. Enter the email address. For the name, we can use an example. For the birth date and company, let's use September as an example. If we need to make changes, we can adjust these fields. When finished, click Add Contact. If the contact is already in our list, Mailchimp will let us know. Otherwise, the new contact will be added. As we can see, the contact with the registered email was successfully added. Now, let's check the audience. The new contact is now shown in our audience list. It is added as laraagmail.com. And that's how we create a new audience in Mailchimp. With our audience set up, we are now ready to manage contacts and start sending targeted campaigns.